Printy6 Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Printy6 and related resources can be found in the description below. Printy6 is a print-on-demand platform that enables dropshippers to easily design and sell custom products such as apparel, phone cases, home decor, and more, all without carrying inventory. By integrating with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Printy6 automates order fulfillment from design to delivery. One of its main features is the design generator, where users can upload artwork, position it on products, and preview how it will look in real time. This ease of customization is crucial for store owners looking to quickly expand their catalog with unique items. Another highlight is Printy6's transparent pricing structure, with clear base costs so sellers can set retail prices and manage their margins effectively. Shipping is typically handled from facilities in the US or abroad, providing global reach for merchants catering to international customers. In terms of strengths, Printy6 stands out for its user-friendly interface, which makes onboarding simpler for those new to print-on-demand. The platform also regularly updates its product range, giving merchants the ability to follow seasonal trends or experiment with new categories, such as canvas prints or specialty accessories. Additionally, the automated nature of Printy6's dropshipping fulfills orders on demand, allowing sellers to focus on marketing, design, and customer engagement rather than logistics. This model helps reduce overhead and inventory risk, two big pain points for traditional businesses. However, there are a few weaknesses to keep in mind. Shipping times and costs can vary depending on the product origin, so it's vital for sellers to set accurate customer expectations. While US-based fulfillment can speed domestic deliveries, international orders may see delays. The platform may not offer as many advanced placement options or specialized product types compared to larger competitors, limiting certain creative concepts. Merchants should also be mindful of print quality, which can sometimes be inconsistent, especially if designs have intricate details or complex color gradients. Overall, Printy6 is a solid choice for store owners seeking an accessible, cost-effective way to launch or expand their custom product offerings without holding inventory. Its straightforward design process, automated order handling, and decent product range can help entrepreneurs scale their dropshipping ventures, provided they account for shipping variability and maintain design quality standards.